Hey guys, this is your mate Casper, and today I'm here to do the unboxing of my new 3D printer, which is from the Creality, and the printer is Ender 3 S1 Series 3D. So let's get started. So here is the whole box, and the printer has been packed very carefully. All the foam is there to protect the printer, which is good. And here are some documents. So this is the user manual to set up the printer. Here are some stickers which we can use later, and a booklet as well for further instructions. And here is a little bit of a filament which is white in color, and we're gonna use it later. It is the main frame, which is solid, I must say, and it's black in color, and black is my favorite. So let's just put it away for a moment. And this is the printer bed, or as we can call it, base. And there is some more foam, and there are some tools in the packet, which is good. Here are some cables for the printer, and this is the main cable. And this is the printer head, which is tiny. This is the filament stand, which we can use it for the big roll. And this is the roller, which we can say handle as well. So all these things they are fully packed, and there is a screen, and it has been packed very carefully. And this is a screen holder. So this is everything, and as you can see, I have labeled everything, so it will be easier for you guys to assemble it. And let's jump into the assembly. So before jumping into the assembly, let's open the packet, and I'll show you all the tools that comes with the 3D printer. So first, these are the stickers. This is the warranty, after service, which we don't need, and this is the material guide, and this is the important document which we're gonna use for the adjustment of the z-axis. And these are the tools. So this is a scraper, or you can say part remover, and we got some extra nozzle, and we got some USB stick and memory card, and these are some screws. These are some Allen keys and screwdriver, and it's a plier to cut the filament. And then we got a needle, which we're gonna use to clean the nozzle when it's jammed. And they put the needle in the foam to protect yourself from poking, which is very good. So we're gonna start the assembly by putting the main frame onto the printer bed using the large black screws. And to put them easily, we can just flip the printer, and we can use the Allen key to tighten the bolts. After that, we're gonna put the screen. So as you can see on the printer bed, you get 3 sockets, and then on a screen holder, you get 3 holes. So we're gonna put screws onto that, and for that we have to rotate the printer so that I can put them easily from my side. And everything is tightened, and now we're gonna put the printer head. As you can see that it has a small fan for the cooling of the filament, and then it has an adapter, and then there is your nozzle, and then this is a sensor, height sensor. And as you can see, this is the socket where the printer head gonna go. So let's put it there, and so there should be a proper fitment. If it's not fit, it means you're doing something wrong. As you can see, it's properly fit. Now we can tighten the screws, and then there are 4 screws. The one good thing is that every packet that's gonna be inside the printer, it has a proper label, and on the booklet you can see which type of screws is gonna go where, which is very helpful. So we're gonna put these screws for the printer head, then we're gonna put the cable attachment with the cable. So this is a screen which has 2 female sockets which gonna go into the screen holder. So it's easy. Let's put it there first so that we can get rid of the screen. The less parts we have, the less tension we will have while assembling it. And this is their handle, or I would say filament holder, and it's easy. It has a male slots, and this holder has a female slots, so you can just push it in and rotate it, and that's it. Some of the things are easy to assemble, some are not. So yeah, so as you can see, we can put it there, and that's it. And this is the cable, and it has so many pins, and then we're gonna put it there. And the easy thing is, as you push it in, the buttons surrounded will gonna come in, which is very handy. And then this cable, as you can see from the mark, it's gonna, that's the direction of the cable, and that thing gonna go in that socket. So let's put it there. That's done. Easy and tight. Make sure there is no jamming while traveling of the nozzle with the cable. And then there is a space for the cable hidden underneath, and then this cable is gonna go there, and the orange cable is gonna go in the front. And then there is a sticker on a cable which we have to pull it off, and then we can get access of the cable, and then we can do the same. All these instructions are in the booklet, so it is very easy to assemble these printers, and I must say Creality have done a good job while giving the instruction books and giving all the parts with all the information where each part is gonna go. So let's put these cables in, and as you can see, even in the packaging they taped all the loose cables so that there is less chance for any damage. And then this is the filament, I would say, checker. So the filament is usually go through there, and it's very loose, which is good. And this is the last cable that we're gonna put to attach our screen. And the color of the cable is nice, it's rainbow. And this is the printer. As you can see, it looks very good, black in color, which is my favorite color. And here is the screen. Let's do the honors. I'm so excited to turn this on, to set this thing up, and to run it. As you can see, the printer is now fully assembled. It is a little drawer underneath the printer head, or I'd say the printer bed, to put all the tools and everything in. And this is a screen. It's not the best screen, but it gets the work done. For the amount that you are paying for this 3D printer, it's very awesome. So the first thing we're gonna do after the assembly is the bed leveling. So to level the bed, the printer usually uses the bed sensor, and the printer gonna use 16 points to see the bed leveling. And so when it's done, we can start. After the bed leveling, I printed this model, which is solid, I will say. And on my next video, I'll give you some more information. Till then, take care and goodbye.